Hi, I'm Mark McConway, Managing Director of Web Systems International. Today, I want to take you on a short journey to describe where web has come from and what web does. Some of you may already be aware of Web Systems International when we operated primarily from the UK. Since 2020, however, Web Systems International has been manufacturing successfully here in Delhi. In the marketplace, we are known for three principal products. WebDeck, which is our unique suspended access platform, and this is used to assist people when they're working at height to access some of the most difficult to reach assets on the planet. WebNet is our proprietary work positioning netting system that allows for lightweight inspection below assets. And then we have WebCatch, which is a suite of netted solutions that allow for the protection against the risk of dropped objects. Web Systems International believes in collaboration. That starts with a collaboration between our customers and ourselves, but just as importantly, it relates to the collaboration between our engineering and technical people in Scotland and the UK, and our engineers and technical people here in India. Essentially, the gaps that Web Systems International would be looking to fill is that area that exists between traditional scaffolding, rope access, and other methods of access. So where a horizontal platform is required for accessing very difficult to reach areas, that's where Web Systems has a suite of products that can help clients around the world. So the industries that we're principally involved in can be best described as those that are required around the world for vital infrastructure projects. So basically speaking, that can range from bridges and jetties, through to airport canopies, for example. Also, we're very heavily involved now within the steel industry and also moving into areas such as sports stadia, etc. Our primary focus is on listening to the customer. We need to understand our customers' pinch points and where we can then dovetail in with the solution that supports them. And I have to say that we believe in integrity. We will not try and sell a customer a solution if we think that there's a better one available elsewhere. So now I'm going to take you just very briefly through our manufacturing process. This all relies on quality, because when this equipment goes to site, we're talking about people's lives, so we can't take risks. So from the moment that raw material arrives in-house, it's subject to goods in inspection. This is the place where the goods are properly inspected. If they're good to go, they will then go into the production process. If they're not, they will be quarantined and perhaps returned to the supplier or indeed rerouted through manufacture. All the way through the manufacture process, we have here in India a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility that incorporates everything from CNC cutting equipment, sophisticated brake press equipment, and all manner of tooling that allows us to provide uniform, consistently high quality product from end to end. The equipment is then made ready for manufacture. All the certification is provided before shipping, and then it's shipped either directly to our customer or via an approved Web Systems installer partner. Now, I'm often asked as a customer, why should we get involved with Web Systems International? I can only speak to you personally, and it comes down to integrity and trust. And by that, I mean that we need to communicate from the heart to one another. And that means that our customers can say what they feel is necessary from their point of view to achieve a good job, but equally, we need to have the confidence in our customer to know that we can speak honestly, unguardedly throughout the process to deliver the very best that they can expect of us. Thanks for your time, and I hope that you'll become one of our customers in the not too distant future.